Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. And guess where I am? I am in Valley of Inventions. Behind me is a tall installation. It is nothing else but a Sentinel of Invention by Michel Amann. 4 meters high, 6 tons carving. This is ice carving. The monument is an ice sculpture, which is highest for the indoors in Europe. Have you already guessed where I am? You know, this brand has 193 years of history. It has 1400 plus calibers. Guessed it? If you haven't, it's Jaja LeCoultre. Now let's discover what this Valley of Inventions has in store for us. So they have 4 rooms. The first room is the precision and chronometry. And of course, precision is what is the heart of Jaja LeCoultre. Then we go to precision and tourbillon. So that's chronometry, which is, you are aware Jaja LeCoultre means chronometry goes hand in hand. And now I am in the section which is dedicated to precision and tourbillon. Let's go to the third one. Well, this is where multi-axis tourbillon. Now, I'm going to talk about the triple-axis tourbillon very soon. Stay tuned with me because we are going to discover that piece, and this is the multi-axis tourbillon. And next is complicated as ever. But for me, all the 4 rooms are complicated, isn't it? For everyone, all of us, every single thing inside this watch is complication, and rightly so. They call themselves as Valley of Invention because that's what they are, the best. Follow me also, there's a secret room inside now. Wow, this is like, I am not in Watches and Wonders 26 altogether. This is so silent, it's like I'm in a garden. Well, yes, this is where La Vallée des Merveilles. This is the haute horlogerie piece of Jaja LeCoultre, which we have discovered. And this is the ambience, this is the room which has been set here, talking about the natural beauty of Switzerland's serene Valley de Joux. Jaja LeCoultre has always been inspired by the beauty of nature, surrounded by the majesty of pristine forests from which clear streams flow into the mirrored surface of the lake. Springtime fields of bright wildflowers, and that's exactly what you will see on the Reverser today. These pieces, they have stolen my heart. I don't know whether they have stolen your heart or not.
At Watches and Wonders 2026, Jaja LeCoultre goes beyond watchmaking into gastronomy. Hidden within the booth is Le Chalet, a warm, intimate Swiss escape that instantly slows you down. As part of the Made of Makers program, 2 Michelin star chef Gilles Varon reimagines a classic cheese. Yes, you heard it right, cheese. But this isn't your traditional cheese board. 4 bites, unexpected textures, subtle yet layered flavors, each one designed to surprise you. What makes it special is the philosophy: precision, craftsmanship, and respect for ingredients, just like watchmaking.
Thank you for watching this episode. I thoroughly enjoyed this episode when I was putting it together. I do not know whether you liked the episode, but I'm sure you did. Press the like button now. And if you haven't subscribed already, press the subscribe button right away. And thank you for watching me, and stay tuned.